Good morning, YouTubers. Manny here for Manny's How To Workshop. Coming back to you after a 2-week hiatus with another how to do-it-yourself project. Basically, this one I'm going to be adding to this shed right here. I'm going to be making an extension that's going to span from that corner to about here where my foot is, just about 8 feet. It's going to be 8 feet by 8 feet by 8 feet, and basically it's going to have the same roof pitch. I thought about doing a lean-to, but after getting close to the shed, I'm almost 6 feet tall, and that seam right there is probably about a little over 6 feet. So if I had to put a lean-to roof on there, it could only go from that point down. And in order to have a good pitch for rain runoff, it would end up being too low over here because the grade of my backyard slopes upward, so I need to make it higher. So I decided to go ahead and just follow the same pitch as the shed roof. This way here it allows me to get a lot more space underneath, and so I'll be able to store some wood that I'm going to use for projects and stuff like that. And basically what I'm going to use this for is to store my wheelbarrow, my cement mixer, my lawnmower, and some other outdoor gardening tools. It's going to be completely enclosed with the door, with a lock. I'm going to have lattice all the way around the bottom and chicken wire on the top half. And as you can see, I already started prepping it. What I'm going to do here in this little trench that you're looking at, I'm going to put some 4 by 8 by 16 concrete blocks, and all that's going to do is block off the dirt from coming up against the shed and rotting my wood, which I'm going to have to do a little bit of repair work right there. As you can see, the termites have tried to chew down on that T11 siding. And also, the flooring is gonna end up being the 2-inch by 8 by 16 flat cinder block pieces. After I put some gravel down, I'm gonna grade this, obviously. Grade it, tamp it with the tamper that you've seen in my previous videos, and then put a little bit of gravel, tamp that down, and then use those cinder blocks to make the floor, and just tie them in real nice with a nice border to go all the way around, all the way back there and then back down and across. And that should hold pretty good. And like I said, I want to try to keep the flooring above the grade so that the rain washout that comes from up there doesn't start collecting on the floor. Alright, well, this is part 1 of this video, and I will catch you guys up again with part 2. Once I get started on grading and all that, I'll make another updated video. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and please rate, comment, subscribe, and also if you have any other video ideas you want me to tackle, let me know and I'll see what I can do for you. Alright, thanks. Take care.